when we get with number one, amount of each song we get song we go number one in a 30 country, and we not hear nobody vlog about it. You hear that? We not hear nobody vlog about it.
Oh no, catch a rock ya. With the Gucci bag, rest by me hip side. Sipping any on the rock ya.
So if you're a subscriber, wagwan. As you can see, this update I go based on Malie dan. Yeah man, so the entertainer basically attack some things about him getting some hit songs, and vloggers now vlog about it. Vloggers now talk about it, but as soon as some foolishness pop up, vloggers jump on the topic and talk about that. So before me get into that, me basically just read an article about Malie dan release from prison, and make can understand what really are going for the DJ, see me? Yeah man, remember subscribe to the channel if you're new, and we could jump right into it. Alright, so me get this off a dancehall mag, as you can see. Alright, so this says emerging dancehall artist Malie dan and members of the entourage were released by police authorities on Monday night after cops discovered that the allegations of sexual assault against the V6 artist were false. We were released after about 5 hours. The investigating officer told us that the young lady and her pimp has been arrested and charged with making a false report and extortion a member of the artist's entourage, to Dancehall Mag. We would like to commend the Barbados Police Service for their swift investigation that cleared all our names. So basically this is good news for Malie dan and his team, basically for everyone, because news like this can basically sink your career, like sink it. Forget rape by your name is like getting curry by a white t-shirt. It not gonna come out. People not gonna forget that the news. People not gonna forget say, yo, you did it. It a gonna stick on you. Your career a go done. You see me? And basically it's a good news because I'm glad say Malie dan never did anything, because at the end of the day, you're an artist, you don't need to do things like them there. So it's a good news, and I'm not going to say it's a good news for just Malie dan, it's a good news for his team. Say, yo, them never do it, because I would hear say, yo, Malie dan team, Ray, and things like them, as I say, can sink the artist's career.
Yeah man, that them want to see, man. Non-stop.
That you want to see them now see it, man, you hear?
Man, I love the girl and too much charity girl, man, I hear that. Some boy and some girl like that, you know, everyone see, I hear that. Believe.
So after saying that, Malie dan posted to his IG and said, respect to the Barbados police for a good investigation. #believe, #freedom. So basically, the entertainer said enough people want to see him behind bars and it not gonna happen. Him respect the female them too much. You see me? So as I say, it's a good news. And people like these are go out there every day. Everywhere you go, them are go out there. Them are try to sink you, bro. Like, me no know. Them just bad mind, and me not think a bad mind. It's just that people wicked. Them are just want to sink you for no reason. Them just want to sink you. You see me? And it's not like say, if somebody walk up in front of you right now and they say they want to take a picture, and I like say, yo, you can tell if they have good spirit with them. You see me, you have to just keep a circle small, stay to yourself, and continue to focus on your work. Because these people out there, and them are try everything to sink you. You see me? So, Malie dan, you have to just be careful out there. You're an entourage, and it goes for every other artist. Every artist out there where I travel and I go overseas to perform for these crowds, you have to just be careful. All of this just remind me of when Dexter Daps did a perform and this female run up behind Dexter Daps and I tried to put one panty over the entertainer head. I mean I tell her say, yo, you see, if Dexter Daps never have fast reflex and never sight, me I tell her, man, I don't know if Dexter Daps would have even have the courage to go back on a stage, because people that snap a pic, people that have video of it, me I tell her say would have circulate. The man career would have fully finish. You see me? Because I don't know, we burn out them something there. You know? So, as me I say, yo, these type of people out there, but it's just that you're not going to know who until it's too late. Sometimes you have to just keep, not even sometimes, you have to keep a circle small, bro. You have to look out of your eye. You see me? As me said, this goes out for all of the artists them. So big up yourself, see me Malie dan. View subscribe. I don't know what you think about that the topic there. So I'm going to touch upon the next topic with Malie dan. Malie dan I speak for vloggers. I'm going to have to touch upon that. Here what the entertainer say.
Dog. When we get with number one, mount of each song we get song we go number one in a 30 country and we not hear nobody vlog about it. You hear that? We not hear nobody vlog about it. We not hear nobody say, alright, Malie dan have 5 songs in a top 20 on Apple Music. We not hear nobody say Malie dan have 3 songs in a top 10 on Apple Music. We not hear them thing they have vlog, but as soon as you hear some fuckery, dog. But big up on yourself, said you hear that, and big up God too. You see it? Someone who might as well go suck on my, you see me? Because I don't found no people say Malie dan neither, you hear that? So I don't want to see no found. Big up a real true support of them and people them. We're loyal, you hear that? And the people them will believe for real, you see me?
So me don't want nobody feel like say only when foolishness come out the vloggers they make a video. No, me respect everybody point and opinion. As me say, everybody opinion is matter. Everybody opinion matter, you see me? But I not only when foolishness come out, because we also talk about the artists them we are going good. You see me? We may not vlog about it every day, but we see them and we talk about it. You see me? Because if you go back through my history, I would have realized I also talk about artists and me also talk about upcoming artists. You see me? If you look back on the next vloggers them where do it, you would have realized the same thing. Them talk about upcoming artists, them talk about who are going good in the business, them talk about a lot of things. So not only when foolishness come out, bro. I rate Malie dan. And I recently Pablo YG drop a song when him die. I may tell you say, yo, I'm one of my favorite songs that. Me may not talk about it, me may not vlog about it, and me also plan to make a vlog on it, but me just never make one. You see me? But I not say me don't rate it, I not say me don't see it, but me rate it. The song bad. You see me? Malie dan are one of my favorite artists them. You're very consistent and it are full of lyrics, bro. Like, man different. You see me? Me rate Malie dan. But I not only when foolishness come out, vloggers make a video. You see me? But as me say, me not beat nobody, me not cuss nobody. At the end of the day, everybody have their own opinion. You see me? Malie dan, big up yourself same way. So view, subscribe as always. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to the channel. Run this up to 1,000. Respect, love and support from all of them. Say this in all of my videos. You see me? Yeah, man. As always, 4K shall energy. Catch you now. In our next one.